Hi guys, and welcome to today's educational intraday trade analysis video for today. So today I have done short selling on this particular chart setup, and as you guys can see here, this is a live movement clip. You can see how the performance had been once I have entered to the short selling side. Okay, so this is how the price performed, and now let me explain you a bit of a logic how I have traded on this particular chart setup and how I have decided to go short selling on this particular trade. And please note, this video is only for educational purpose and there is no trade recommendation in this particular video. Okay, so all the videos are for educational purpose, and also I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience. So if you guys like to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact me on the number displayed on the screen for more educational details and knowledge. Okay, so yes, as you guys can see here, I have traded without any indicators. So now let me explain you a bit of a logic why I have traded on this particular chart and why the short sell itself. Okay, so firstly, as you guys can see here, you can see how the price has performed on the previous day. Okay, so if you guys can see here, on the previous day, the price from the support level, it has gone up. Okay, and it has touched some of the resistance level, and after touching the resistance level, you can see the reversal has been formed. That means from the resistance level there is a profit booking or huge sellers have come here. So that's why the price has come down, and there was a support level, if you guys can see. Okay, so this is a support level. Okay, so now if this support level has held strong, then there would be a chances where the price would have gone up from here and it have gone bounce back up. But what happened here today was, here we can see at the support level there was no price forming in a stronger buy side. Okay, so yes, of course you can see the price has rejected here and it has gone up, but after going up we can see the green candle what it has formed after that was bit less sized, which was showing a less volume, and that green candles were not a confirmation to go for a buying side. So I held it for some time, and you can see it went range bounded, and after this range gave a breakout, that's when I entered to the short selling side. If in case if this range would have given a breakout towards the upper side, then I would have entered to a buying side and kept my target somewhere over here. But you can see here the range bounded breakout was given towards the downside. So that's the reason I have taken short sell entry somewhere over here, and after that you can see the price has come down almost by 2% plus. Okay, so this is how the price has performed here, and later it has taken the support in the downward support level somewhere over here, and now you can see it has gone up, and again it has rejected this resistance level, and again it is starting to come down again. Okay, so this is how the chart formation has performed today, and this is how I've traded on this particular chart setup. So if you guys want to learn all techniques like this and want to learn how to analyze the chart more in details, you can join us and I'll be guiding you all the educational details. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.